As to what inspired me to become an attorney, my initial interest was in literature and philosophy, the power of words in general. And then, of course, as cliche as it might sound, to help people, really, particularly to help the underdog, and to find a place where you can use the power of words to help the underdog to make a living, that was a perfect fit. What I found the most interesting about the practice of personal injury as opposed to other areas of law, in my opinion, personal injury is where the rubber meets the road. This is where you get to help an average Joe, average Jane, regular people to use the power of law to protect their rights, the rights of their loved ones, and to be more specific about personal injury is to use that power, the power of laws, to recover and to be compensated if they are injured, God forbid if they're injured, as a result of the negligence of another individual. One of the beauties of working for this firm, for Farah Farah, is that we have all the resources in the world. You know, when the case comes in and when the injured party, when the client comes in the door, shortly after an unfortunate incident and they're injured, there are pieces of documents that have to be obtained. A lot of these documents are time sensitive. They have to be obtained in a time sensitive fashion. And in order to do so, you need resources. It takes a village, just like raising a kid, you know, properly preparing a case or preparing a claim to then become a case, to litigate a case. It takes a lot of help. It takes a lot of resources. And thankfully here at Farah, we do have the teamwork, we do have the expertise, we do have the resources to do it, and we have the resources to do it in a timely fashion. You should hire me because I know what I'm doing. You should hire me because I've been doing this for a long time. I have a long history and a track record of success. Being with Farah Farah, as I mentioned earlier, with all the resources that are available to me and all the other attorneys here at the firm, we are a formidable force. I have the expertise, and then through the firm, I have the resources to put those expertise to work. And this is my passion. This is my passion. I've always wanted to do this, and now I get to do it, and I get to do it with the best in the business. I really believe that my colleagues here at the firm, at Farah Farah, are the best in the business. And we've been doing a great job for our clients for a very long time. For those reasons and many more reasons, I think you should give us a chance to represent you. The best piece of advice to someone who's been injured is to hire a professional attorney. Of course, if they're in the state of Florida, I would definitely encourage them to give us a call. I really believe in the quality of services that we provide, but also, I should say, to focus on getting better, to focus on their medical needs. And that kind of comes hand in hand with hiring the right people for the job on the legal side of things.